Hello, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today we'll be looking at an SAT math question. The question says as follows. If f of x equals the square root of x and g of x equals f of x, what is g of 4? Once again, I'm using this SAT study guide. Check it out. Okay, so this is our function. Now g, it's just the function evaluated at the function, right? It's a composite function, right? Okay, so that's equal to, well, the function is the square root of, and then we have to evaluate again the square root of x. Right? Otherwise known as x to the power of 1/4, or the fourth root of x. Okay, now g of 4 is just 4 to the power of 1/4, which is just the same thing as 4 to the power of 1/2. All of that to the power of 1/2. And that's, of course, the square root of 4 is just 2, so we're left with 2 to the power of 1/2, which is just the square root of 2. So that's the answer. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.